All right, guys, welcome to the fourth episode of this series, Programming with Python. So, in this episode, we are going to look at variables. Variables are basically containers that holds a value, and this value that it holds can be changed or subjected to be changed. So, let's say previously we said something like print, okay, hello world, okay. Good. Let me zoom. All right. I think it's cool. So I could run this code here. Then I will get the output over here like hello world. Okay. Then later what I did was I did something like name, okay, equal to Muhammad. I mean Ibrahim. I did something like this, right? Then instead of passing my name straightforward as a string here, what I'll do is I'll pass the name, the variable over here. Then I will print it. I will get the desired output. You understand? So this name here is a variable that holds the value of Muhammad Ami. Okay, so I could add age, let's say 18 years. Okay, then I could print the age like this. So when I run this code again, I could have Muhammad Amin, then the age. Okay, good. Now, one thing about variable is they follow certain orders and procedures. Now, I cannot begin a variable by a number, let's say um, 2. Okay, I can name a variable, let's say two, or let's say one name, right? If I try to run this, I'll get an error. Okay, I'll get an error. So in variables, we can only use names. Okay, you can use names and underscore. It can begin with underscore. I am sure it's allowed in Python, but in other languages it is not allowed. You understand? Good, but it is not a good practice. So always begin with letters, okay, especially small letters, okay. But we have a convention that we have. Let's say um, typecasting. I can say name, let's say first name. So F, or let's say, yeah, F, or first. Let's say first, then name. Okay. So equal to, let's say, Muhammad. I mean like this. Okay. Then we have last name equal to, let's say, Ibrahim. You understand? Good. So you see this type is called camel casing. So the first word starts with small letters, then the other part of the word also begins with a capital letters. So I could print this like print, let's say, first name, I could say plus last name. Okay, no problem with this. Then I could get the name. Mohammed Amin. No, I mean the Mohammed has been combined. So what you can do is put a space before this, then you go run it this way. Then you have it perfectly. Good. So naming a variable has a particular convention. Okay, good. But we have different types of variables that we can assign to. Okay, so if you could see, this is just characters. Okay, characters. Then we could have, let's say, age, like before, 18. Okay, good. Then we could have, let's say, married. I think it's like this, or whatever be the case, married. Then I could say true. Oh, sorry, false. False. Okay. Then why is this thing give me error? Let me see. Right, let me clear this guy. Then I could have, let's say, points. Okay, points equal to, let's say, 32.98. You understand? Good. Then what I can do is that I want to show you something. So beneath the print name, I'm going to say that print, okay, type. So the type is a function, okay. We will look at functions extensively as we go on. So I'll put first name over there. Then I could have another print of type. Then I'll put last name over there. Good. Then I could have another print, then type. Then I'll put age over there. So what we want to do is we want to know the type of variable we are dealing with. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, good. So I could say points, right? Good. So when I run this, you could see that we have a class of string. Okay, it's saying that this um, variable type here is a string type. Okay, and string is basically characters, A, B, C, D, and those stuffs. So likewise, this last name here too is how do you call it? A string. Okay, so you can see here a string. But then this one here, the age is an integer. Integer. So integer is a number, both negative and positive. That does not has have a decimals. Okay, without decimals. Now we have points. Okay, we have 32.98. It's not an integer. It's what we call float data type. Okay, good. But we have another data type we call boolean. Okay, so what I could say is, let's say b equal to true. Okay, I could say c equal to false. Good. Now, boolean data types have only one value. Okay, it's either is true or false, but cannot be both. Okay, it's either true or false. So print, let's say type is equal to C. All right, so let's see. So we have bool over here, meaning it is what? A Boolean data type. So in the nutshell, these are what we call variables and how to define variables. So we are going to be working with variables on our daily basis. So whatever that we do, we might be needing variables. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.